Yay, I got my package in. My Munbyn label holder. I was so excited to get this in. I've been wanting it for a while. So here we go. Opening up the package. Pull out all the pieces. No instructions. Not a big deal. Just trying to figure out where everything goes. Want to make sure I get the pieces right because I know it's going to require some force to push this in. I didn't want to push it in and get it backwards, pull it out, and then break a piece. So just taking my time to make sure everything lines up. And I pop in the first one. Pop in the second one. And now I have to figure out how to get these edge pieces on this roller with that handle. I couldn't figure out how to do that, so it just took me a few tries. And then I realized you have to take off the spinning part on the handle. You have to take that handle off. I'm checking now the box again for the directions. There are none. But I get it right here. Pull off the handle. Pop on those edges. Load the label roller. And that's it. It's pretty simple. One of the things I realized, if you have flat labels, you can most likely put that on the base of this label holder, and then you can just use the top roller part for stickers or labels that you use often. But my labels are on a roll, so I have to use it that way. Now I just gotta move out the iPad and put my label holder in its new spot. So now I try to load up my Munbyn thermal printer, and it's done. So I bought the large off of Amazon for $24, and I'll try to link it for you.